mastermind to me was just absolutely perfect. I would never have been where I am today without your guidance and the structure and the support. So I am forever grateful. Thank you.
I'm definitely more confident into knowing what I sell and what I want to offer for free and what are the steps and the funnel that I want people to come through.
And notice how much work goes into launching your own company. I'm really happy with what I did. I had some really nice workshops, nice clients coming along.
I am not alone building my own business. Yeah, I get inspired with how seeing Tom and seeing Anne progress, and then the rest of the team. So that really inspires me to move forward.
It definitely was a huge transformation for me. I think too, I was really ready for it. I just didn't know how to do it. Hence me messaging you, I think 24 hours before it began of, oh my God, do you still have space? Can I please join?
I brought in a lot of challenges. And every time there was a challenge, you just started to ask a question. Now I have my inner Nati as well in me. And I'm like, okay, what would Nati ask?
Takeaway was really this clarity on who I am as a professional and be more conscious that I have to communicate, because if I don't communicate, I don't exist, right?